So we are going to be explaining the correct answer choices for case B. And for number 6, if you look at it, what's important in this question is it says the entire group, and it also says collaboration. Whenever you look on page 239 in the textbook, it says that inter-rater reliability is an agreement among 2 or more examiners as they apply a test or index. So we now know that B is the correct answer for 6. Going on to 7, we are looking at different indices, and what's important about this question is it says we are determining the periodontal status. So if we go through each letter choice, we know that A is for plaque, B is for calculus and debris, C we know that is for a periodontally involved patient, and D is for gingival index. So that just does the bleeding on probing, and the contour doesn't necessarily say the periodontal status of the patient. So we now know that C is the correct answer for 7. Going on to 8, whenever you take the mean of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4, so you do 14, you add them all, you get 14 divided by how many there are, 5. You get 2.8, and the correct answer on that would be B.
So number 9 is asking about the mean score in the last question, and then it asks about the fluorosis index. So the answer is C. The score marks mild fluorosis. So the score was 2.6. 2.6 falls under the marked fluorosis. Number 10 is asking about how the children got the fluorosis. So they can either get it from ingesting it by toothpaste, the fruit juices that they drink, and then processed drinks. So all 3 of those answers are correct because the water that is used to prepare it could have fluoride in it. 11 is asking about the teaching methods. So lecture would not be the correct answer because it does not involve the audience. Demonstration is only used when you're trying to teach them something, so like toothbrushing. Discussion with an active learner involvement would be the correct answer because you want to be able to do like a lecture but still interact with the audience. And then panel discussion is also not the answer.
So for number 12, what we're talking about is the best media to supplement the presentation for 50 people. So if we look, the brochures on A and the photographs on B, that would be a distraction and it's not best suited for a large crowd. If you look at D would not be a good answer choice, and then C, slides of oral cancer, would be best because this is very visual and it's better suited for a larger crowd. So the answer is C, slides of oral cancer. The last question, question 13, is talking about what is the best objective to help guide the presenters as they plan their presentation. On page 123, it talks about what an objective entails. So what you want is an audience, a condition, and a measurement. So for the audience, you would want the participant to be in it. For the condition is the oral and systemic risk in smoking, and then a measurement like list or describe. So if you look at B, it says following a mediated oral presentation, the participant, which is the audience, will be able to list, which is the measurement, 3 oral and systemic health risks associated with smoking, which that is the condition. So the correct answer would be B on number 13.